Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can hide channels from other roles and people on Discord. So in order to do that, select the channel that you want to edit, and then over here we have edit channel icon. So let's click on it and then go to permissions and then enable private channel. Now over here you will see all roles and members of the server that have access to that channel. They can see it, they can write there, and so on and so forth. And of course you cannot remove administrator roles, so every role that has admin enabled, they cannot be removed since they have every permission granted to them. So we can add new members and roles in order to include someone or include roles to that channel. So over here I have 3 additional channels, and let's say I want funny people to also have access to that channel, so I'm gonna select them, and if I want to, I can also decide which specific members can have access to that channel, despite not being in a certain group or not having a specific role. So for instance, I'm gonna select this person, and then I can click done. And now, if I go back over here, these people who are in not funny people group or role actually, or any other person that is not included in any of these roles, or if they are not included in the members over here, they will not have access to that channel and the channel will not be visible for them. So if I save the changes, remember to save these changes. And now let's go back, let's close this one, and let's open the roles. Let's go to the roles, and as I said before, not funny people have not access to that channel. So let's select the role and then let's go view server as a role. So now I can see what's going on through like the eyes from the perspective of that role, and as you can see, there's only one text channel, the general, and the other one, which was memes, is hidden for them and they cannot see what's going on there. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.